Hello, my dear viewers. This video is related to the partner e-commerce, and this video is linked up with my previous video about the partner e-commerce that I published during the last month. And the video is getting so much popularity. And as you know, partner e-commerce is very trendy nowadays. When I uploaded this video, it was in my native language, and some of my audience were requesting that if I can translate that video in the English language. So basically this is the video in which we do the analysis of the complete analysis of the partner e-commerce, whether we have to invest in this platform or not. We will do the analysis of it, and it is the English translation of my previous video. So let's start about the analysis. First of all, we will check from the scam advisor whether it is safe to invest it or not. We will go to the scam advisor, and we will give the URL to this website, and what the outcomes are. It's a suspicious website identified. Read the analysis. So it means scam advisor is still not sure that it is authentic platform or not. So as per scam advisor, it's totally unsafe to invest with partner e-commerce platform. Beside this, I also set up my own account with partner e-commerce platform just to understand its each and every features, and to understand its what is its business model. So I would like to compare its business model with the other e-commerce website like daraz.com. Here you will see when in partner e-commerce platform, this platform would say you to invest with this platform, and to buy or purchase some products, and on the basis of your purchase you will get the profit within 3 days. But when you see daraz.com, there they will not say you to invest any amount with them. They will simply have their affiliate program. By joining that, you will promote their product, you will promote daraz store on product, and when you will sell their product, you will get the profit on that products. But here you have to invest. So simply the means of investment is that you have to purchase a shop here. So minimum package to subscribe a shop here is that $40 per month. So this is the minimum amount in which you can buy a shop for yourself. And further, you have some balance in your wallet. On the basis of that, they will show the product in your shop. So further again you have to invest with this website, you have to invest $100, and on the basis of that, they will show the products in your shop. And when you will buy these product, then on the basis of your purchases, you will get the 10% profit after 3 days. So within after 3 days, you will get on the basis of what you are expending on this website, on this platform, in purchasing of their particular products. So this is their model. And another shocking information is that for my audience is that its server is not exactly located in United Kingdom. It's somewhere is operated by Pakistan. And the running of such kind of the applications is that they will simply check the in and out of their business, and they will run smoothly when the in and out both are balanced. And when they will see that in of the system is much heavy amount, that it is enough for them, then suddenly they will shut down their server and their or their apps and their website, and these people will run away. So it is very risky if you invest with this platform. uh, I know many of them who are earning from this platform will still comment on this video and will say that they are earning and making a lot of money from this website, and I am telling them wrong. But for those people who believe in this type of the website, still I will guide them that this is their starting phase, and they will take some time in which they will build the trust of their audience, and they can make enough money to run away. So I will recommend you, if you people, you guys still believe on this website, then to be in a safe side, keeping yourself in safe side, invest very a small amount of money in this website, and then recover all of your investment within few days. And when you will recover your investment, then don't make any more investment, and whatever you already invest in the farm, already get in the form of the profit from this website, only invest that particular amount with this application. So this is only the way that I can tell you that if you want to invest with this website. So this is my analysis about this platform. I hope you can understand. Still you are having any question, please you can comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.